Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday night cap of 2026. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank all my viewers, all my subscribers for all the support I've had over the last 12 months. It has been absolutely fantastic. I'd like to wish us all a really happy, prosperous and above all, healthy new year. On about health, I haven't been very well the last couple of weeks. I've had this terrible cough, chesty flu, so I haven't had much time in the workshop. What I have done, I do a repair on a throttle linkage of an old vintage tractor, and I do a repair on a cast iron dynamo pulley. It's a real old school repair. I use oxypropane to gas braze it. I'm sure you'll find that interesting. I've got a piece of throttle linkage here of a tractor. I'm not sure what sort of tractor it is, but the grey paint tells me it could well be a grey Ferguson. And what's happened is they've been running loose little roll pins through there, they're aluminium, and it's just all piss wobbly slack, and he wants me to take all that piss wobbliness away. Now I've measured the shaft, and that shaft there is 3/8. Well, the next size up from 3/8 is 10 mil. So I'm wondering if I can put a 10 mil reamer through all that lot, re-drill it and put some new pins in. That's my idea anyway. I mark things up a little bit. They're kind of at 90 degrees to each other, so that shouldn't be a problem. It's all adjustable anyway. But the first thing is to get a punch, try and get these out. I will put a little pop mark on so I know that one goes to that one. I've also got a picture of it, and I'll have a video of it as well. Right, so that's pop marked. We know it goes there. That's the big end of and that's the little end. We'll find a decent punch and see if we can get those pins out of there. This is where you need 3 hands, or I need Deborah to come and hold it for us, which is not here today unfortunately, so we'll have to just try and... Oh, that was pretty painless. Happy with that. Right, so we've definitely got a mark, we've got a pop mark on there. We know that one goes on that end. I'm just going to make the marks a little bit more pronounced. That's better. Right. I think going to 10 mil will clean this up quite nicely. There's no way on the shaft, but there wouldn't be. All the waves in the end there. Yeah, what's piss wobbling. Right, the first thing to do is to try a reamer in there and see what it cleans up like. That ticking noise you hear in the background is my diesel heater. I've got to try and isolate the pump a little bit. Right, so that is a 3/8 reamer, which is piss wobbly. This is 10 mil. I'm going to try and carefully. Right, so that's 10 mil, and that's pretty good. And that gets a nice roll pin in there. That'll be absolutely splendid. I'm just doing this by hand. The holes are acting as quite a good guide for the reamer. See, the bastard's already getting us once. Right, so that goes through there quite nicely. We'll fit one in now, we'll drill a hole through there, put a tight fitting pin in, a roll pin, and then we can sort the other end out. Bring that in, it just touches. Touch like an elephant, John. It'll stop moving, it'll kick off. So we'll zero the axis at that. Other side, same again. Right, so that's half of the two readings, which is spot on, middle for diddle. The roll pin I've got measures at 3.2, so if I put a 3, probably a 3mm would do it. A 3mm drill through there. I do want a new chuck, this one's getting worn, doing a lot of work. Right, we want this running at a reasonable speed. I'm going to put a little drop of high strength Loctite on here. It's not cheating. If they had high strength Loctite when they built this, they would have used it. The hole, it's in the arm, is already around about 3mm, so this pin should go through there, no problem. So that's all the way through. I'll cut that off with a slitting disc, and that is no longer piss wobbly slack. And that's the centre punch mark there, and the centre punch mark there, so that goes in that way. Put a little bit of lubricant in there, a little bit of grease. It's nice. Yep, definitely happy with that. Get that pin out. And once again we need to put the reamer down through here. See, they were at 90, which is there. So I think what I'll do, I'll mark that hole and then take it apart, drill it on the drill press, and then go from there. I wonder if I can just mark that with a drill, the right size for the pin, which is 3mm, and then like I say, take it across to the milling machine and drill it there. Right then, that went that way like that. Oh, that is not going anywhere, that. Certainly no piss wobbliness there now. It's a little bit tight, but it will settle in. Need to nip them off with a grinder now, and that's another one done. I'll try and get a picture off the ladder where it actually goes. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that.